From the weather team you can trust, here's Chief Meteorologist Eric Snyder.
I had mentioned that for a lot of the area, we're done with accumulating snowfall. Just some novelty flakes flying around, and this is going to be one of those spots where these flakes aren't sticking. This is not causing treacherous travel on the roadways, but we're far enough out here in Wayne County, from Sodus Point to the Chimney Bluffs to the Wolcott area. You may very well not be done with the idea of accumulation, but you're the folks that we're looking at. Unlike last night where this was equal opportunity, this is now lake effect, and you know who you are. Usual suspects are going to be the ones that we continue to monitor with this. 24 degrees, wind out of the west-northwest at 20 miles per hour. The fact now that we've introduced at least a subtle northerly component is important, because it's going to start driving some of these snowfall bands more inland. It's just not going to last that long, fortunately. Numbers tonight, no trouble dropping into the teens. Highs tomorrow afternoon, though, no trouble getting back above freezing. That's not going to instantly just melt all the snow that we've got, but it's going to start that process, and then it will freeze back up, I suspect. So maybe some icy sidewalks again into Thursday morning. By Thursday afternoon, we're going to be pushing 40 degrees, and that's really our future here. The snowy landscapes are not going to be able to exist for much longer with this forecast ahead. High wind gusts, which have been a thing plaguing us now for the better part of a week, are slowly backing off. I know when it's really cold like this, it feels like they're still very much not backing off, but just the numbers themselves, they are diminishing, and they're going to keep on doing that tomorrow. All the while, the surface flow starts to turn more southerly. We're going to end the lake effect by that point, and that's how we end up getting above the freezing mark. Satellite and radar. Everybody's fair game for a few quick-hitting snow showers, but that's all they are. There's no consistent heavy snow inland in the area. We've got that 10-15 miles offshore looking northward over Lake Ontario, and then we've got that from Oswego crossing over 81 getting into the Tug Hill. These are going to be the spots that will have plowable amounts of snowfall set to continue moving forward. And remember, I do think we might be clipping our friends along 104 in northeast Wayne County. Everybody else you could see looking off to the west, the other Great Lakes are in the process of shutting down. That change in the wind flow to allow that band to move inland, it's fighting against time here, because we know by tomorrow morning the ingredients are no longer going to be there. That brevity likely keeps any additional accumulation throttled into manageable territory. Everybody else, don't expect anything more to be sticking on the ground. Tomorrow morning, you got a partly cloudy sky. It's cold. By the afternoon, you've got a cloudy sky, but it's milder. Highs getting into the mid-30s. Weak clipper system on the way on Thursday. That'll spit out a few rain and snow showers developing by the afternoon. But you know what? With temperatures where they are, none of that's going to end up sticking. So we see no problems with that, and we see highs in the 40s from here all the way through the weekend. We hope to see you again after the break.